Quickstep. Hi guys, now we're going to try our Quickstep, and it's called Quickstep because we move very, very quick and there's lots of bouncing involved. Can we start by bending our knees and getting ready to bounce? Hands on hips, ready to go. First steps, we're going to jump to the side, back to the center, and to the other side. Ready to go? We're going to do it 2 times. Let's go. And jump, back to the center, jump, back to the center. 1 more time, and jump, back to the center, jump, and back to the center. Very good. Now we're going to try the second step. We're going to go open, together, open, together. Quite easy, right? Now we're going to try a little bit of a tricky one. We're going to do it on one leg. Let's go side, and change side, other side, side, oh, and side. Oh, we need lots of balance for that one. Let's try it a little bit faster. We're going to go and side, and we can jump in the middle, side, and side, and side. Oh, very good. Should we try that all from the beginning? Let's go. Hands on hips, bouncing our knees. We've got bounce, together, bounce, together, bounce, together, and bounce, together, and open, together, open, together. We're going to go side, 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 and now we're going to do some gallops to the side. Come with me, let's go. Gallop, 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 and the other side. Gallop, 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 and a little walk around the circle. Walk, 2, 3, 4, hands on knees, bounce, 2, 3, 4. Very good.
Okay, now that you're a professional, let's do it with some music. Let's go.
Come on everyone, let's Quickstep with Josh. Hands on your hips and ready to go. Side jump and back, other side, and back. Jump side and back, other side, and back. Jump out and in, out and in. Hop on one leg and change, other leg and change. Skip 1, 2, 3, back, 5, 6, 7, and march 2, 3, 4. Bounce, 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 bounce. Jump and back, other side and back. Jump side and back, other side and back. Jumping out and in, jump out and in. Hop on one leg and the other, one leg and the other. Skipping 1, 2, 3, 4. Back 2, 3, 4 and march, 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 march and bounce, bounce, bounce. Side jump and back, other side and back. Jump side and back, other side and back. Jump out and in, out and in. Hop on one leg and change, other leg and change. Skip 1, 2, 3, back, 5, 6, 7. March 2, 3, 4. Bounce, 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 bounce.
Hope you had fun, guys. We will see you later. And
Don't stop moving!